Hello friends, today I am going to explain how to unpack Agent Tesla using only one breakpoint. Uh, for that we need only X32 debugger. So I am going to load the Agent Tesla into X32 debugger. I am going to place only one breakpoint on write process memory. So once I place the breakpoint here, only one breakpoint, write process memory, go to debug, advanced, run pass all exception, or you can press shift F9. So you need to wait for a few more seconds. So in the background what will happen, so um, agent Tesla will decrypt the encrypted payload in the memory, then it will create the child process, then it will inject the unpacked code into the child process. So you can see here it's created the child process in the suspended mode. Here you can see and what happens, so it will allocate the memory and it will write the unpacked code into the child process, then it will resume the thread. So we are just going to grab the unpack the payload from here itself. You need to check the third argument. Here this is the third argument. Right click, dump. Here you can see the mz header. So just select the whole PE file and save. Binary save to file. You can see this is the valid PE file. Here it's a valid PE file, it's running. So I'm just terminating the process. So if you can load into DNS spy, you can look the code, unpack the code. So here go to main. This is the unpacked code of the agent Tesla. This is the unpacked code, but still there are some of the string obfuscation is there, so we can use another tool to deobfuscate this string obfuscation. Close on. I'm just drag and drop the sample into the Smart Assembly Explorer. So right click here and deobfuscator. So select the default profile and click OK. It will take few more seconds to deobfuscate all the string from that payload. You can see all the strings in the clear text format. We will wait for some time. So at the end of the deobfuscation, you will receive few errors. You can ignore these errors. Once it's completed, so you can just close it. So this is the unpacked.deobfuscate.exe is our final payload. So here you can just directly open into the DNS file. Here it's a function name changed, you can observe here. So main, you can check all the obfuscated string in the plain text here. So this is the basically unpacked code. You can start analyze using this clear text format here. SMTP. Here also you can see there are compromised email account credentials and passwords. Usually agent Tesla will exfiltrate all the um, credentials using this email only, compromised email. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.